Okay, let's look at the homework 3.2, problem number 1. Alright, so we want to find the derivative of this given function, first using product rule. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so you can see that we can treat this guy as the first guy and treat this guy as the second guy. Alright, f prime of x is equal to, right, derivative of this guy is, derivative of 1 is 0, and derivative 6x squared would be, put 2 in front, so 6 times 2 is 12, and subtract 1 from the power, so it's going to be 1, and times the second, so just copy the second guy, quantity x minus x squared, right, plus, right, first guy, so 1 plus 6x squared. Then we take the derivative of the second guy, so derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of negative x squared would be negative 2x. Right, so we have that. Then maybe we should multiply, let's see, multiply all out. Then you have, right, so distributing 12x to each term, we have 12x squared minus 12x cubed, right, and plus, right, distribute 1 to 1 and a negative 2x, we get 1 minus 2x, then distribute 6x squared to 1 and negative 2x, we get plus 6x squared minus 12x cubed. Right, so then I'm gonna just collect the like terms. Alright, so we have, let's see, negative 12x cubed and the negative 12x cubed. So it's going to be negative 24x cubed. Alright, then x squared term, so you have a 12x squared and a 6x squared. So that will give us a positive 18x squared, and then we have a negative 2x, so it's minus 2x, and then we have a plus 1, right, plus 1, right, so we got that, and perform the multiplication first, right, so that will be the first one. Maybe I should plug that in, right, so we have, right, negative 24x cubed and plus 18x squared and minus 2x and plus 1, right, plus 1. Alright, let's do it the other way. Alright, so we're going to multiply it out first. So before we take the derivative, we're going to just multiply it out. Alright, so we're going to, let's see, distribute 1 to x minus and negative x squared. So you have x minus x squared, and then we distribute the 6x squared to x and the negative x squared. Right, so we have let's see, plus 6x cubed and then minus 6x to the 4th power. Right? Then I'm gonna rearrange the order. Right, so I'm gonna put negative 6x to the 4th first, negative 6x to the 4th, and then you have plus 6x cubed and negative x squared and x at the end. Oops, that's a different color. Maybe it doesn't matter, but here, plus x. Right, now we can just go ahead and take the derivative. Right, derivative of that is negative 6 times 4 is negative 24x, and 1 less power, so it's 3. And 6 times 3 is 18, x and 1 less power, and a negative 2x, and derivative of x is 1. Right, we got exactly the same thing. Do your answer agree? And answer is yes. Right, so type it in. Negative 24 x cubed and plus 18 x squared minus 2x plus 1, and they agree with each other. So submit for testing. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Right, so either way, you can use the product rule, or just go ahead and multiply out and use power rule, just power rule to find the solution. Either way, you should get the right answer. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.